In the navigation system, you can easily enter or cancel a destination. To enter a destination, begin by tapping the flag search icon at the bottom of the map or selecting the Google Places search icon at the top. Begin entering your destination's name, and the integrated Google Places search will suggest locations as you type. When you see your desired destination, tap on its name and it will be set as a new destination. To revise or cancel your destination, tap the Route Options icon to go to the Route Options menu. There are several choices you have in this menu. You can set a new destination, cancel route, or look at a turn list that shows you an overview of all of the turns on the route. You can tell the system your route preferences, like to avoid toll roads, highways, etc. You can also have it recalculate a route, show the final destination, edit or add to route, and even add detour information. Under Detour, you can select how far out of the way you want to go. Here are more routing preferences you can select to use: toll roads, highways, unpaved roads, ferries, learned routes, time or seasonally restricted roads, the traffic information provided on the route, and avoid area settings. When you set a new destination or look up a previous destination, you can also replace, add to route, or cancel current route. When you choose Cancel, you can also choose All Destination, One Destination, or None.
Drive your ambition. Mitsubishi Motors.